Hey groomers, Tyler here out of Colorado. Wanted to show you something a little about the hinge assemblies and when to replace them. So here we go. So here is an old one, and let's see if we can somehow show. Yeah, that's a good angle. So I can move it like that, very easy. Almost close it and reopen it. I mean, it's weak. So that's the old one. This is the new one. Now, if I do that, I'm not going to stick my thumb in there, but you hear that? Pretty nice slam. This one's not going to be as good. It might have sounded like it, but this one's really weak. And we can see by when I use the screwdriver to pick it up, it'll open halfway and like not open fully. So there we go. Now it's fully open, but it has like this middle, but it's not fully open. Whereas on the new one, it's nice and strong. And this is called the hinge, assembly. And it has the blade lock on the back, or latch, whatever you want to call it. You should have this little hook here, because that's what hooks onto the socket. So when you lock your blades on, this part will actually snug on the back there to keep your blade from peeling off. If your blades are peeling off, you need to replace this part. But just replace the whole thing at once. It's easy. They cost under 20 bucks. And that'll help a lot if your blades are rattling around. Also, if you're getting those wear marks I was talking about in the other video, could be from a bad hinge as well. So replace your hinges if you need to. And to put it back together, you got these two springs, if you can see them. And you got two holes in here. And you just line them up and slide it on. There you go. Easy peasy. Hope that helps someone. Bye.